Hey, I'm Adam Jusko, and this is Adam Answers, where we answer the burning and not so burning questions of the day. In this video, what's inside the iPhone 12 box? My new iPhone 12 has just arrived, and so we're going to take a look at what's actually inside the box. If this video is helpful to you, I would very much appreciate you subscribing to our channel. Anyway, iPhone 12, we are going to take a look at what's in here. Not really going to review it so much, really just going to, let you know what's inside, what you're getting, and what you're not getting. All right, we've got it on the desktop here. We're going to take a look. Pull that top off. Nothing up there. And there's your phone. As you can see, we got the blue one of the newer colors this time around that I think is probably going to be pretty popular with a lot of people. So the first thing we see, obviously, is the phone. Pull that out of there. We're going to have the white sticker on it. And then you have down below here cord. This cord is going to hook into the phone on one end with the lightning sort of connector here, right? And then on the other end you are going to have the USB-C connector, and that USB-C connector you can then put into a charger that has the USB-C connection. So as you can see in here, there is no charger that comes with the phone, so you're going to have your own charger. Apple made kind of a big deal about the fact that they are taking the charger out as well as the headphones, and so they're giving you, this cord here to sort of help you at least have a way to connect the phone with the charger if you have one, but it does have to have the USB-C connector on that charger, although if you have an old charger that has an old cord and it has the lightning end to connect into your phone itself, then you could still obviously use that. But if you don't have that, you're going to have to get a charger and you want to use this cord, you're going to have to get a charger that has the USB-C end, and Apple is selling one of those chargers on their site for $19. Let's put that down here, and then what we have is not a whole lot more. Nothing else really going on in this box. Like I said, not only do you not have a charger, you don't have any earbuds or headphones or anything of that nature at all. Again, Apple saying that their old, their old earbuds that are out there, there's a million of them, and this is sort of a way to cut down on environmental waste. Also seems a little bit like a way for Apple to not give you headphones, but that's, just an opinion. So we do have a little, sort of instruction thing in here, as always designed by Apple in California. On the front, your sticker. You always get the sticker. And then not a whole lot more going on here. And then there's also this little metal pin that comes in there, and if you don't mess around with your phones too much, you might not know exactly what this is, but this is actually to remove the SIM card from the phone if you ever need to do that. But so that's it. You've got the phone itself, you've got the cord to attach to a power adapter, but you're not getting the power adapter in the box. You're not getting any kind of headphones or earbuds, no AirPods, none of that kind of stuff is in the box either. Otherwise, you've got your sticker, you've got your SIM tool, and that's really pretty much it. So that's really it for this video. Not doing a big unboxing and a big review like all the big tech sites are going to do. I just wanted to show you what was in the box. We'll do a lot of other videos showing various features of the new iPhone 12 in terms of apps, how to do things with the phone, that kind of stuff. But that's what's in the box. Not a whole lot. You got the phone, you got a cord. That's pretty much it. Questions, comments, put them in the comment section below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this was helpful to you, and we'll talk to you again soon.